This is a technical analysis and Binance Coin price prediction. Binance Coin price prediction: is BNB a good buy? Binance-linked blockchain hit by $570 million crypto hack. Binance Coin price prediction. Binance Coin price prediction for tomorrow, week, month. Binance Coin price prediction: is BNB a good buy? People are wary of trading in most cryptocurrencies since they are considered to be volatile. However, the crypto market has been a steady draw for traders, individual investors, and institutional investors for quite some time, and this is especially true in the event of a pandemic. The exaggerated expectations from fiat currencies that did not withstand the test of time must be credited. On the contrary, cryptocurrencies have showed a particularly perceptible price fluctuation while displaying huge intermediate to long-term profits. Let us examine the present Binance Coin information and forecast the Binance Coin price in the future. The Binance Coin is a digital currency that trades under the BNB sign and is individually listed on the Binance Exchange platform. BNB was founded in 2017 and is supported by the scientific algorithm and durable technology known as blockchain. It operates on Ethereum and is now based on ERC20 Ethereum. The whole ecosystem is structured to support a range of utilities such as trading fees, exchange fees, listing costs, and so on. Aside from holding its own currency, it also provides Binance Chain, Binance Smart Chain, Binance Academy, Trust Wallet, Binance Research, and many more services. The Binance Smart Chain has had a favorable influence on the Binance Coin pricing. The Binance currency may also be used to pay transaction fees. Today, Binance competes directly with several other cryptocurrency exchanges. Binance-linked blockchain hit by $570 million crypto hack. A blockchain connected to Binance, the world's biggest crypto exchange, has been attacked by a $570 million breach, according to a Binance spokeswoman on Friday, the latest in a spate of crypto industry attacks this year. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao said in a tweet that tokens were taken from a blockchain bridge utilized in the BNB chain, which was known as Binance Smart Chain until February. Blockchain bridges are methods for transferring bitcoins across apps. According to researcher Chainalysis, criminals have increasingly targeted them, with $2 billion taken in 13 distinct attacks, largely this year. According to Zhao's post, the hackers took around $100 million in cryptocurrency. BNB Chain subsequently said in a blog post that the hacker withdrew a total of 2 million BNB coin valued around $570 million. The bulk of the BNB remained in the hacker's digital wallet address, while around $100 million was unrecovered, according to a Binance spokeswoman via email. According to statistics portal CoinGecko, BNB Chain supports BNB, previously known as Binance Coin, which is the world's fifth largest coin with a market value of more than $45 billion. Binance Coin price prediction. Binance Coin's value is expected to fall by -6.87% and reach $255.87 by October 15, 2022, according to our current Binance Coin price projection. Our technical indicators indicate that the current attitude is bearish, with the Fear and Greed Index reading 22. Binance Coin has seen 15 30th green days in the past 30 days, with 3.03% price volatility. According to our Binance Coin prediction, now is not the time to acquire Binance Coin. Comparing Binance Coin to other significant technical advancements and trends is one method of projecting where the Binance Coin price may go in the long run. The table above indicates what the Binance Coin price would be at the end of 2023, 2024, and 2025 if its development trajectory mirrored that of the internet or huge tech corporations like Google and Facebook in their boom period. In the best-case scenario, BNB price projection for 2025 is $3,183.84, assuming it grows at the same rate as Facebook. If Binance Coin grows at the same rate as the internet, the forecast for 2025 is $627.58. The price of Binance Coin has fallen below the 200-day simple moving average. Since January 20, 2022, the 200-day SMA has been indicating a sell signal. Binance Coin's price is now below the 50-day simple moving average, and this indicator has been indicating sell for the previous 3 days, since October 7, 2022. The most recent Bitcoin death cross occurred 248 days ago, on February 3, 2022. Meanwhile, the previous golden cross happened 405 days ago on August 30, 2021. According to our technical indicators, Binance Coin's 200-day SMA will fall during the next month and reach $282.97 by November 9, 2022. Binance Coin's 50-day SMA is expected to reach $271.14 by November 9, 2022. The Momentum Oscillator Relative Strength Index is a prominent indicator that indicates if a cryptocurrency is oversold or overbought. The RSI is now at 46.29, indicating that the BNB market is in a neutral state. Binance, the coin price is favorably connected with the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap, excluding Tether, with a value of 0.495, and positively correlated with the top 100 coins by market cap, excluding all stablecoins, with a value of 0.379. Currencies that are favorably connected with Binance Coin have a statistically substantial weight to drive the other in the same direction. A move in one way for Binance Coin would translate into a move in the other direction for the currency that is negatively associated with Binance Coin. Binance Coin price prediction for tomorrow, week, month. Binance Coin price forecast for Tuesday, October 11th, minimum $260, maximum $300, and end of day price of $280 per coin. BNB to USD forecast for Wednesday, October 12th, minimum price $255, highest price $293, and end of day price $274 per coin. Binance Coin price forecast for Thursday, October 13th, minimum price $250, highest price $288, and end of day price $269. BNB to USD forecast for Friday, October 14th, minimum price $245, highest price $281, and end of day price $263 per coin. In 1 week, Binance Coin price forecast for Monday, October 17th, minimum $243, maximum $279, and end of day price $261. BNB to USD forecast for Tuesday, October 18th, minimum price $250, highest price $288, and end of day price $269 per coin. Binance Coin price forecast for Wednesday, October 19th, minimum $252, maximum $290, and end of day price $271. BNB to USD forecast for Thursday, October 20th, lowest price $254, highest price $292, and end of day price $273 per coin. Binance Coin price forecast for Friday, October 21st, minimum $252, maximum $290, and end of day price $271. In 2 weeks, on Monday, October 24th, BNB to USD forecasts are as follows: minimum price $253, highest price $291, and end of day price $272 per coin. Binance Coin price forecast for Tuesday, October 25th, minimum $255, maximum $293, and end of day price $274. BNB to USD forecast for Wednesday, October 26th, minimum price $263, highest price $303, and end of day price $283 per coin. Binance Coin price forecast for Thursday, October 27th, minimum $259, maximum $299, and end of day price $279. BNB to USD forecast for Friday, October 28th, minimum price $261, highest price $301, and end of day price $281 per coin. In 3 weeks, Binance Coin price forecast for Monday, October 31st, minimum $261, maximum $301, and end of day price $281. BNB to USD forecast for Tuesday, November 1st, minimum price $259, highest price $299, and end of day price $279 per coin. Binance Coin price forecast for Wednesday, November 2nd, minimum $260, maximum $300, and end of day price of $280 per coin. BNB to USD forecast for Thursday, November 3rd, minimum price $272, highest price $312, and end of day price $292 per coin. Binance Coin price forecast for Friday, November 4th, minimum $270, maximum $310, and end of day price of $290 per coin. In 4 weeks, on Monday, November 7th, BNB to USD projections are as follows: minimum price $264, highest price $304, and end of day price $284 per coin. Binance Coin price forecast for Tuesday, November 8th, minimum $270, maximum $310, and end of day price of $290 per coin. BNB to USD forecast for Wednesday, November 9th, minimum price $258, highest price $296, and end of day price $277 per coin. Dollar to Binance Coin forecast for Tuesday, October 11th, 0.357 coins at the end of the day, minimum 0.333 and maximum 0.385. USD to BNB forecast for Wednesday, October 12th, 0.365 coins at the end of the day, minimum 0.341 and maximum 0.392. Dollar to Binance Coin forecast for Thursday, October 13th, 0.372 coins at the end of the day, minimum 0.347. Highest 0.400. USD to BNB forecast for Friday, October 14th, 0.380 coins at the end of the day, minimum 0.356, maximum 0.408. In 1 week dollar to Binance Coin forecast for Monday, October 17th, 0.383 coins at the end of the day, minimum 0.358 and maximum 0.412. USD to BNB forecast for Tuesday, October 18th, 0.372 coins at the end of the day, minimum 0.347 and maximum 0.400. Dollar to Binance Coin forecast for Wednesday, October 19th, 0.369 coins at the end of the day, minimum 0.345 and maximum 0.397. USD to BNB forecast for Thursday, October 20th, 0.366 coins at the end of the day, minimum 0.342 and maximum 0.394. Dollar to Binance Coin prediction for Friday, October 21st, 0.369 coins at the end of the day, with a low of 0.345 and a high of 0.397. In 2 weeks, on Monday, October 24th, the end-of-day exchange rate will be 0.368 coins, with a low of 0.344 and a high of 0.395. On Tuesday, October 25th, the dollar to Binance Coin exchange rate will be 0.365 coins at the end of the day, with a low of 0.341 and a high of 0.392. USD to BNB forecast for Wednesday, October 26th, 0.353 coins at the end of the day, with a low of 0.330 and a high of 0.380. Dollar to Binance Coin prediction for Thursday, October 27th, 0.358 coins at the end of the day, with a low of 0.334 and a high of 0.386. USD to BNB forecast for Friday, October 28th, 0.356 coins at the end of the day, with a low of 0.332 and a high of 0.383. In 3 weeks dollar to Binance Coin forecast for Monday, October 31st, 0.356 coins at the end of the day, minimum 0.332 and maximum 0.383. USD to BNB forecast for Tuesday, November 1st, 0.358 coins at the end of the day, minimum 0.334 and maximum 0.386. Dollar to Binance Coin forecast for Wednesday, November 2nd, 0.357 coins at the end of the day, minimum 0.333 and maximum 0.385. USD to BNB forecast for Thursday, November 3rd, 0.342 coins at the end of the day, minimum 0.321 and maximum 0.368. Dollar to Binance Coin prediction for Friday, November 4th, 0.345 coins at the end of the day, with a low of 0.323 and a top of 0.370. In 4 weeks, on Monday, November 7th, the end-of-day exchange rate will be 0.352 coins, with a low of 0.329 and a high of 0.379. Dollar to Binance Coin prediction for Tuesday, November 8th, 0.345 coins at the end of the day, with a low of 0.323 and a top of 0.370. USD to BNB forecast for Wednesday, November 9th, 0.361 coins at the end of the day, with a low of 0.338 and a high of 0.388. BNB price predictions and what you can expect this year. If you're looking for a BNB market forecast, analysis, or price prediction, you're undoubtedly curious about where the price of BNB may go in the future. To forecast future price fluctuations, we use a variety of machine learning techniques. This price projection is intended to address the majority of your inquiries. Will BNB recapture its all-time high? What will BNB be valued in a month's time? Is it a good time to purchase BNB? Is BNB presently displaying bullish or bearish indicators? We will use numerous BNB technical indicators to anticipate the price of BNB in our BNB price prediction forecast. The current value of BNB is $274.22, and it is ranked number 5 among all cryptocurrencies. The current quantity of BNB in circulation is 161,337,261 with a market valuation of $44,242,354,210. BNB's price has dropped by 1.08% in the last 24 hours. BNB has struggled to get traction during the last 7 days. falling 3.81%. BNB is displaying negative indicators this week. If you are considering purchasing BNB, now may be a good time to purchase. BNB's price has declined by 7.11% in the past 30 days, lowering its prior value of $295.21 by $20.99. Because of the present slump, BNB is now in a decline. In the last 90 days, the price of BNB has climbed by 23.03%, adding $51.33 to its prior value of $222.89. Our BNB market predictions are based on machine learning algorithms that examine technical indicators such as the relative strength index, moving average convergence divergence, moving average, average true range, and Bollinger Bands. The crypto industry is notoriously unpredictable. Forecasting future BNB price points is impossible, and many other things impact the price. As a consequence, our website's forecast should not be regarded as financial advice, and you should do your own study. Before making any investment choices, consult with your financial advisor. As the market begins to recover from the crypto winter, we anticipate that BNB will reach a maximum price of $493.60. The projected minimum price is $329.07, with an average price of $411.33. As BNB continues to hit new highs, our algorithm predicts that in 2023, BNB will reach a maximum price of $767.82, with an average price of $685.56 for the year. In the event of a bear market, the lowest price BNB might reach in 2023 is $603.29. We anticipate that BNB will rise rapidly in 2024 as crypto obtains traction in a variety of commercial sectors. As a consequence, the price might rise to $1,042.05, with an average of $959.78. The minimum price for BNB might be $877.51. With continuous capital expansion in the crypto market, BNB might reach a high of $1,316.27 in 2025, with an average price of $1,234. If a sell-off happens, our projection is for a minimum price of $1,151.74. Given the global growth of BNB, the currency might reach a maximum price of $1,590.49 by 2026, with an estimated average price of $1,508.23. In addition, the minimum price for the same year might be $1,425.96. BNB acceptance will continue to surge in 2027 as authorities begin to recognize that crypto is here to stay. BNB may achieve a maximum price of $1,864.71 by 2027, followed by a minimum price of $1,700.18. In 2027, the average price is predicted to be $1,782.45. Because of the increase over the previous 5 years, we will witness another big bull in 2028, which means that BNB investors may see BNB reach a high of $2,138.94 and a low of $2,056.67. Our technical analysis revealed a minimum price of $1,974.40. Based on market opinion, BNB is predicted to continue rising, reaching $2,413.16 in 2029. If BNB fails to achieve this support, it might average around $2,330.89 and bottom out around $2,248.63. This year will be remembered for BNB. We estimate BNB will hit a new ATH of $2,687.38 in 2030, with a new minimum price of $2,522.85. In the worst case scenario, BNB will be worth $2,605.12 in 2030. Check out our channel for the stock market day trading technical analysis tutorial for beginners, also available in Hindi and Bangla languages via captions. This can be used for live trading for gold analysis, oil technical analysis, and stocks analysis. This knowledge is especially important for day trading live. Power of stock trading could be unleashed if you paper trade and apply the knowledge shared in this course. You could find using screeners and technical analysis best stocks to buy now, and including additional metrics gain knowledge about best dividend stocks to buy now. Please come back to this channel to understand what are the best stocks to buy now. Also, we present analysis on Bitcoin and Bitcoin news today. We cover tickers, XRP, BTC, Cardano, ETH technical analysis, and BNB hive. We also going to add explanations on topics such as how to stake Luna Classic and BNB miner works. Our videos cover BTC technical analysis, Luna Classic price prediction, Binance USC analysis, and more, mainnet 2F. In the next weeks, we will add vechain live news in our videos and ethereum mainnet details. This is Crypto Block IQ. Subscribe to this channel to get the latest price analysis and trading systems signals. We focus on LUNC news today, TERRA LUNA CLASSIC news today, Luna Classic price prediction. Also, we present analysis on Bitcoin and Bitcoin news today. We cover tickers, XRP, BTC, Cardano, ETH technical analysis, and BNB hive. We also going to add explanations on topics such as how to stake Luna Classic and BNB miner works. Our videos cover BTC technical analysis, Luna Classic price prediction, Binance USC analysis, and more, mainnet 2F. In the next weeks, we will add vechain live news in our videos and ethereum mainnet details. Write down below in the comments what is your strategy for the next few days. Click the card on the right to get to more Bitcoin price prediction analysis.